यहाँ पे मैग्नेटोमीटर है एंड ग्राउंड पेनिट्रेटिंग रेडार। यहाँ पे सारे अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट का स्टॉल लगाया है। यहाँ पे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग का है। ये एक तो स्ट्रेस मेजरमेंट मशीन है। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ माइनिंग इंजीनियरिंग। और ये है हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का स्टॉल। गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Rock samples of economic significance and some industrial use rock minerals over here and some fossils. So starting from this, so this is basically ropey lava. So what is this? Basically when a magma, basaltic magma erupts over the surface, so since it is having very less viscosity, so it flows in the form of rope. So we can see closely that this rock is having rope-like features. So and this is also hollow because of the escape of the volatile. So we call this rock as the ropey lava. Then next we have this rock sample which is hexagonal in shape but it is broken. So basically this is a rock called beryl and this is an ore for emerald. If the concentration of beryllium is to a greater extent, so this can help for the economic extraction of emerald. Next on we have this dark green and light green and black alternate bandings. So basically these green bandings are representing chromite. So chromite is basically an ore of chromium and this is the core sample of a chromite alternate bandings of chromite and ultramafic rock. And next on we have a sample of bauxite. So bauxite is basically an ore of aluminium and this is having a piezolytic structure. Next on we have pyrrhotite. So pyrrhotite is majorly an ore of iron and the major composition of this rock is iron and sulfides. This is a sulfide ore. Next on all these minerals, all these rock samples are having occurrences of lithium within them. So this purple colored mineral which we can see here, this is basically lepidolite which is an ore mineral of lithium, and also to smaller extent we are having presence of spodumene within the rock which is also a ore mineral for lithium, and this is a felsic host rock containing the lithium bearing minerals. This purple mineral is specifically lepidolite which is the ore of lithium. Next on we have mica bearing rocks and they are also having some concentrations of lithium within them. So this is basically mica which is pegmatite rock consisting of mica and it is a felsic composition, and we are having some dark colored mafic composition pegmatite having mica grains within it. Next on we have an ore of lead which is called as galena. So this is basically help for extraction of lead and this rock is called galena. Then we have fossils. Majorly these are invertebrate fossils, and this one is called Teratella which is a gastropod. Next on we have Rinconella which is a brachiopod, and this is basically the outer shell has been discarded, it has been broken and the shell has been filled with some sediments, and those sediments are converted into hard rock, and this is basically the imprint of the shell which has been preserved in the form of the hard rock preservation. And this is Arca. So this is a bivalve and the shell is made up of calcium carbonate. Next on we have ammonites. So ammonite is basically a fossil of cephalopod group. So this is also preserved in form of hard rock. Next on here we have some minerals which are basically smaller portion taken from bigger rocks and they are polished and preserved. So these are having different types of rocks. Their name is also mentioned here. Next on we have this rock. So we know olivine. So olivine is our ultramafic rock which is dark colored. So when olivine goes through alteration, it converts to serpentinite. So this is the altered form of olivine, serpentinite, and it is having a very peculiar texture of appearance of bladed like grains. Next on like have a closer look. So we can see this light yellow colored imprints or patches present over the gray rock sample. So these are basically, these golden patches are basically chalcopyrite, which is an ore of copper. So these are chalcopyrite, and to study these chalcopyrite or these copper ores in microscope, we have to prepare these pellets. So we use specifically reflected light microscope to study these ores, and this is basically a pellet, or we can say like a thin, like in normal microscope we prepare thin section. So in case of ore minerals, we prepare these stubs or pellets. Next on we have kyanite. This rock is consisting of kyanite. So these blue colored minerals are kyanites, and kyanites have several industrial applications. So it's used for that purpose. Next on we have this lamprophire sample, which is basically a dike sample, and this rock is having very significant concentration of rare earth elements within it. And then we have this very beautiful purple colored variety of quartz, which is called as amethyst, and the purple color is imparted due to presence of some impurities during the crystallization of the quartz. This is basically a quartz with some impurities imparting a purple color to it. And next on we have this calcite. The calcite is very well known for its double diffraction phenomena. As we can see, here we have a small dot, and we can see it is appearing as a singular dot. And we are placing this calcite over the dot. What we can see that we can see two dots within the crystal when we are looking towards the dot. So this is basically governing the double diffraction phenomena of the calcite. So it is also used as polarizers in polarizing light microscope and other appliances.
Thank you, ma'am.
Iron oxide. Now let us take an example of iron oxide. Let's say it's in the form of Fe3O4. Now you have to get a pure iron out of it, as much as pure you can make it. Now the process is, you have to provide, generally what we do is we provide a material which is highly carbonaceous. Now the carbon will react with the oxygen present with the iron oxide. It will reduce to the iron. I will give you an example. Initially it was Fe3O4.
ये एक टेक्सटाइल का स्टॉल है.
बोलते ना এটা বড় হবে চলবে না এটা আরো ছোট भाई कहाँ भाई चल रहा है वो सब बन रहा है मतलब उसमें क्या क्या ऐड है.
एंड दिस इज आवर ब्यूटीफुल ओवल गार्डन. यहाँ पे फ्लावर शो हो रहा है. यहाँ पे ISM लिखा है फ्लावर में. बहुत सुंदर है भाई. यहाँ पे आगे फ्रूट्स हैं एंड देन वेजिटेबल्स.
ये देखो.
Thank you so much, sir.
साइज है.
Giving the prizes. That is for a program is first, and then followed by second, and of course third. So when under this category, the first. Now we will move to the next award. And the first prize goes to Reshmi Mathi. The first prize goes to Reshmi Mathi.
यहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप के रोजेस है.
The second prize goes to Reshmi. The second prize goes to Reshmi.